Alright, let's work out some of our problems for review that we went over today. If a car drives 340 miles in 7 hours, what is the car's speed? To set this problem up, we are comparing 340 miles in 7 hours. What is the car's speed? So this is a unit rate problem. We're looking for how fast is that car going in 1 hour? How many miles per hour? So to solve this problem, we're going to set up our ratio. We're going to label it first, miles over hours. So we went 340 miles in 7 hours. We could do this problem 340 divided by 7, and we would come up with our unit rate. You can also set this up as a proportion. You wouldn't have to, but you could if you want to. So if instead of doing that outright, you would end up doing how many miles in 1 hour. Cross multiply and then divide. This next one, if a 5-ounce can of soup costs this much, how much would 8 ounces cost? This is a rate problem. So we are comparing ounces for money. Or if we wanted, we could actually put the money on top. It doesn't really matter. I'll put the money on top. Just like so. So that's $2.50 over 5 for 5 ounces equals 8 ounces would cost how much? Money on the top, ounces on the bottom. Cross multiply and then divide. In class, the ratio of boys to girls is 3 to 4. If there are 20 girls, how many boys are there? Well, this is our rate, boys to girls. If there are, getting kind of crowded down here, if there are 20 girls, how many boys are there? So for this one, this 3 to 4 represents 3 boys to 4 girls. We can set this up as a proportion. So boys to girls, so we'll put boys to girls. The ratio is 3 to 4, so 3 over 4 equals, we know that there are 20 girls, so we put 20 on the bottom, because that's where the girls, we have the girls on the bottom, and we don't know how many boys. Cross multiply and then divide, and you get how many boys would be there. That's our x. All right, next one. On a map, 1.5 inches equals 4 miles. How many miles would 4 inches equal? Okay, 1.5 inches equal 1.5 inches equal 4 miles. How many miles would 4 inches equal? How many miles? So all the information we need to set up our proportion is already here. 1.5 over 4, because I'm putting inches over miles equals, so how many miles would 4 inches equal? 4 inches, we have inches on the top, so I'm going to put 4 on the top, x on the bottom. Have my inches are both on top, and 4 miles on the bottom. Cross multiply and then divide. 30% is 50. 30% of 50 is what? Well, for this problem, 30% as a, I'm going to write it over here. Yeah. Underline 30% of 50 is what? I'm going to write is over of, because that's what we should do. And when we write this problem out, 30% as a fraction is 30 over 100. And is over of 50, so 50 is going to go on the bottom. And is, which is here on the top, is what? What is not a number? So we're just going to put an X right there. We don't know what it is yet. Now we cross multiply and then divide. Okay, to make rice, Pedro used 4 cups of rice with 4 cups of water. What is the ratio simplified? Alright, so we have rice to water. 4 cups of rice, 8 cups of water. What will go into both 4 and 8? Well, divide the top and the bottom by 4 gives you 1 over 2. Or 1:2. Alright. So that was your review. We'll go over a few of these tomorrow. If you have any questions, enjoy. I'll see you tomorrow.